Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control of the first hour. Do this now. Remove big triggers, turn off bright screens, open a window, drink water. Once done, use scheduled wake windows. Stay awake for 45 to 60 minutes every 2 to 3 hours to retrain your body clock. Do the simplest active step first. Stand, move, breathe deeply so your nervous system shifts. This short, consistent stimulus tells your brain, wakefulness is allowed. Sleep is not the default response anymore. Next, you rewire habits with repeated cues. Start with anchor behaviors. Get morning light, eat fixed meals, move for 20 minutes daily to stabilize circadian rhythm. Then implement graded exposure. If you crave sleep, delay by 15 to 30 minutes and do a micro activity like a 10 to 15-minute walk or simple chores. Make sure to reward yourself for each delay. It reinforces new pathways. Over days, those small delays accumulate and weaken the conditioned urge to sleep at inappropriate times. Finally, consolidate progress into a stable routine. Choose a consistent wake time, craft a calming bedtime ritual, and aim for 7 to 9 hours total sleep overnight. If setbacks occur, track patterns for 3 to 7 days and adjust specific levers. Reduce evening light, move caffeine earlier, check medication timing. If you remain stuck despite these adjustments, seek a therapist or sleep specialist who can assess underlying causes and prescribe targeted behavioral or medical interventions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.